Yeah, it's working the secondary injection pump. Say to these guys to stop making sound. It's supposed to vibrate a little bit. You're supposed to see the engine vibrate like that. No, with these mounts, it will not gonna vibrate. All right, check the oil level. Where's the dipstick? I already removed it. Need an O-ring here, Omar. Need one O-ring because it's missing. It's supposed to have one O-ring because the breather is down there. Yeah, put it, Mr. Nufu. Put it. Full in. Full inside. Yes. Okay. Now pull it out. Yep. Turn off the car. Put another 2 liters inside. Now we are finalizing. Taking coolant, oil. Put another 2 liters. Dump inside 2 liters. You know. Looking good. Looking good.